He and she, date 1. I'm so glad to have met you. May I speak to you for a moment? Will you meet me this evening? Where and at what time shall we meet? Will you call me at the hotel? I shall expect you at o'clock. Would you like to go with me? To the cinema. To the theater. To dance. For a walk. Thank you, that would be very nice. I'd like to hear some dance music. May I ask you to dance? I'm booked up for the next dance. I hope you've had a good time. Thank you for a wonderful evening. You are most kind. I love you. Do you really mean that sincerely? Of course, I do. I'm afraid I must be going now. Allow me to see you home. I'll give you my address and telephone number. He and she, date 2. Here's my card. May we meet again tomorrow? I shall be pleased to see you again.
Sorry, I have a prior engagement.
I'll be free the day after tomorrow. Are you booked up for the weekend? Ring me up first, please. What's the best time to telephone? Don't forget to write to me. I promise you.